Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Hybrid Jamaican-American Art, an art of Jamaican cooking, American power tooling, and much more. In a previous video, I used these two pieces of wood to combine them into my piece, using wood glue, my power tools, and what I was saying were nails, but a viewer pointed out to me, these weren't nails that I was using, they were screws. So I just want to shout out a thank you to my viewer for correcting me on that. But now I'm ready to move on to the next process of drilling a hole in my piece. So let me get started. Okay, before I drill my hole, I'm going to mark where I want it to be, as I want it to be in line with the top piece. So I see where it's right here in the middle. And I'm just making sure that it's even. Like my daddy used that old expression, measure twice, cut once. So this is 2.5, so this needs to be half of 2.5. That's not quite right. So now it is. And as some of you may know, my daddy's the one who taught me how to use power tools. Okay, so now that I have it marked, let me get started. But when drilling them, I'm going to be using two different drill bits. It's a little trick that I learned along the way. Because when drilling, sometimes it can be unsteady, smoky, and time consuming. But this trick that I learned, it cuts down on that and makes the hole more accurate. So let me secure this. Okay, so I'm going to start with this thinner. I got to get it in real nice and tight and secure, which is why I leave my power tools unplugged until I'm ready to use them. Okay, let me get started. It's already, it's not quite, there we go. Okay, it's not quite in line, so let me do here. Okay. So now I'm moving on to this drill bit. Okay, gotta make sure it's in properly. Because it will, if it's not in properly, it will often fall out while you're drilling. See? Had it in and it still fell out. But that's okay, as my hole is now drilled. And even though it may not be totally in line, see, get rid of that piece. My hole is now drilled. And to be honest, my drilling the hole, there's no real major use for it. It's just that it makes the piece more interesting, more dimensional. So I just have to sand this little part. And then I'm ready to go on to the next and final step of painting my piece. But being I don't know if I'm going to paint the piece one color, what color, more than one color, I'll save that for another time. As always, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much. I hope you return to my YouTube channel, as by God's grace, I'll be returning with more power tool projects and other aspects of hybrid Jamaican American art. Till next time!